When it comes to premium cookware that balances durability, performance, and elegance, this All-Clad D5 5-ply stainless steel cookware set emerges as a top contender. This 10-piece set is an investment that guarantees superior cooking results, thanks to its advanced engineering, impeccable craftsmanship, and thoughtful design. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary game, this cookware set is designed to meet your needs. Let's delve deeper into what makes this collection an essential addition to your kitchen. Unpacking the set? What's included? The All-Clad D5 5-ply stainless steel cookware set comes with 8-inch fry pan, ideal for smaller portions like eggs or sautéing vegetables. 10-inch fry pan, perfect for searing meats or frying. 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, great for sauces, gravies, and reheating. 3-quart saucepan with lid, excellent for boiling or preparing soups. 3-quart sauté pan with lid, versatile for browning or shallow frying. 8-quart stock pot with lid, a go-to for preparing broths, stews, or pasta. Each piece is meticulously crafted with a brushed stainless steel finish, making it as visually appealing as it is functional. Top features that set it apart. Number 1. Patented 5-ply construction. This cookware set features 5-ply bonded layers of stainless steel and aluminum. This construction ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that can burn food. It's a game changer for recipes requiring precise temperature control. Number 2. Durability. That lasts a lifetime. Made from 1810 stainless steel, the cookware is resistant to warping, corrosion, and stains. The brushed finish adds an elegant touch, while the flared edges allow for drip-free pouring, ensuring your kitchen stays neat and clean. Number 3. Heat compatibility. The All-Clad D5 is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Moreover, it's oven and broiler safe up to 600-degree Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking techniques. Number 4. Ergonomic design. The double riveted handles offer a secure and comfortable grip, even when handling heavy dishes. This thoughtful design enhances usability and safety in the kitchen. Number 5. Made in the USA. Proudly bonded and engineered in Canonsburg, PA, this set reflects All-Clad's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Why choose All-Clad D5 cookware? Superior cooking performance. The even heat distribution of the 5-ply construction ensures consistent cooking results. Whether you're searing steak or simmering a delicate sauce, the All-Clad D5 delivers every time. Versatility. From stovetop to oven, this cookware set adapts to your culinary needs seamlessly. Its compatibility with induction cooktops makes it a future-proof investment for modern kitchens. Sustainable and timeless. Unlike non-stick pans that wear out over time, stainless steel cookware is built to last. The All-Clad D5 set is a sustainable choice, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Care and maintenance tips. To ensure your cookware remains in pristine condition, hand wash with warm, soapy water immediately after use. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or steel wool to maintain the brushed finish. For tough stains, use a stainless steel cleaner for a polished look. What customers are saying. The All-Clad D5 cookware set has garnered rave reviews for its performance and durability. Here are some highlights from satisfied users. 1. The heat distribution is phenomenal. Every dish I've cooked has turned out perfect. 2. The handles stay cool and the cookware is easy to maneuver even when full. 3. It's an investment, but it's worth every penny. This set will last me a lifetime. Final verdict. This All-Clad D5 5-ply stainless steel cookware set is a standout choice for anyone serious about cooking. Its unmatched quality, performance, and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment. Whether you're preparing weeknight meals or hosting elaborate dinner parties, this set has you covered. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game and invest in cookware that will serve you for decades, the All-Clad D5 cookware set is the perfect choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.